Hey there, my name is Amy Batchelor with Lodestar SEO. I spoke with Denise on the phone, who so kindly said I could shoot this video over to you. I'm a local business owner just like yourself and know that COVID has really hurt some businesses, so I just wanted to give back and show you what you can do in order to compete online with your competitors and drive more traffic to your business. I wanted to jump on here real quick and go ahead and go through your site and show you kind of what we think is going to be best for you. So I'm just going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you can get the most value. I'm pretty much going to explain to you 3 things that you can do today to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online, okay? The very first thing I want to go over is your website and what we call content. When someone searches for air duct cleaning Houston, Google crawls websites on the internet, searching and ranking the sites. It's looking for keywords, it's looking for what should this site be found for. So when I go through here, I see you have some nice photos on your site and a beautiful layout. I see a little bit of content, but not a whole lot of content. Now, one thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. So, Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your front page. And we're looking at right now with your site is we're probably sitting at about 250 to 300 words on this page. So, adding 1,200 words of content with the keywords that you're trying to target is going to help you get found for those keywords. And we'll talk a little bit more about keywords here in a second. But not only does Google just look at your site, but when Google comes into your site, they can't tell what they should be ranking you for if you don't have any keyword specific things on here. So what does that mean? Well, let's look at your competitor. When I looked up air duct cleaning Houston, these guys came up. And when we start scrolling through their site, we see content here, pictures, and they have about 1,600 words on here. So what does all this mean? Well, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It allows me to see every keyword you're ranking for, how much traffic you get into your site. So we can see here that you're getting found for 0 keywords and you're getting 0 people a month to your site. So when we jump in here and we look at your competitor, they're getting found for 136 keywords, right? They're getting 173 people a month to their website. And when we go in and we look at their keywords, we'll just check out a few of these. Houston Air Duct Cleaning Services, 80 clicks a month for that, and they're sitting on the first page of Google on this one. Another one we can just point out, Air Duct Cleaning Cypress. They're getting 60 clicks a month for that, and they're also sitting on the first page of Google for that one as well. So once we do the first thing of getting the right content on your site and getting the right keywords on your site, the next thing is to go and find what we call backlinks, okay? So what are backlinks? Backlinks are pretty much, let's say another air duct cleaning site from Houston, Spring, or even Florida. It just needs to be in your kind of field, air duct cleaning, linking back to your site, saying that you're the most popular one here. So the way that Google works, it's like a popularity contest back in high school, right? The more sites we get linking into your site, the more popular it tells Google you are, and the more they want to rank you for these keywords. So we need to go out. We look at your competitor here. We see that they have 137 referring domains linking back to their site. So we have to beat it. And not all backlinks are created equal, right? So like getting a link from Starbucks linking to you is not going to be as powerful as a general contractor or something like that linking back to you to tell Google that you're relevant, you're in the right niche, and you're popular. That's what we want to go after, okay? So we have about 137 referring domains. Now we don't want to go out and get the same amount as them when it comes to links. We want to beat them by 20 or 30 links to really start beating out the competition, to outrank them, to take that traffic. And then last but not least, I want to talk to you about the third thing we need to go get, and that's what we call citations. Now I'm sure you've heard of the map pack before. So this is the map pack right here, and down below that is your organic. Let's see here. So I looked back 10 pages and did not find safe air services. You were nowhere to be found. So to get to this organic part here, we got to get those keywords up. We've got to get all the links coming into your site. And then to get into this map pack up here, we have to go after what we call citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number throughout the web on as many directories as possible. And a directory is like Yelp, Yext, CityStar, all of those directories that are out there, we want to get your business listed on them. It tells Google that you're legit. So we go over here to another resource I use called whitespark.ca. I did a report and found the top listing on Google, and you'll see right here, they have 99 citations, okay? So here's you, Safe Air Services. You're sitting at right now at 15 citations. So when you come in the map pack and you look at more businesses, this I Googled air duct cleaning Houston. I went back 30, 40 positions and did not find Safe Air Services, okay? So our goal is to be in the top 3. You definitely want to be right here because when someone Googles it on their phone, they're not going to scroll pages and pages and pages to find a company. They're going to take these top 3 right here, one of those, right? Okay, so we talked about content. We got to get the content on your site. You've got a beautiful looking site, but we got to get the keyword relevant content. Then once we have that, we want to go after these backlinks, right? We need to get your backlinks up to start driving traffic to where you're getting 173 people a month to your site. And once we have that, we want to turn around and we want to go after these citations right here. So those are the 3 things that I think if implemented today, it's really going to get you found on Google and drive more customers to your business. I've only shown you one competitor and one keyword search. There are dozens of buyer intent keywords for the air duct industry that we could capture the traffic of thousands of clicks per month that you aren't getting. All right? Thank you for taking the time to listen to me today. Like I said earlier, my name is Amy, and if you like what you've seen here today and you want to chat, you can reach me at lodestarseo.com for my contact info. Thank you and have a good day.